Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Hale. I will be your instructor for Chemistry Honors this semester. I hope to see all of you in face-to-face by the 28th of September. Today I've been tasked to go through several things with you, so we'll go over these this way. What I'm going to do is first I'll go through a Canvas access. We'll do a real quick discussion about that. Then I'll be talking through my syllabus. The syllabus includes the other things that we have to cover. We have to cover the syllabus, contact information, course overview, grading system, and expectations. So the first thing we'll be doing is their Canvas access. When you go up into your portal here for Student Portal, you'll be able to find Canvas and the little red button there. Push that and look for CCS. That's what you'll be looking for. Don't look for Pine Forest High School. Look for the Cumberland County Schools. That suffice for the Canvas access. Now let's go directly to the syllabus for the rest. This is a syllabus. This will be posted on Canvas, and I'll also plan to give you a hard copy, I hope, if I can give you some packets before the school starts. But this is this will already be posted. You should have a hard copy, like I said. Here's the best way to contact me, the Cumberland County Schools email address. I usually monitor that all day long up until 8 o'clock, except on weekends. So please try and get with me that way. If you have a question, send it through there. If you have, if we need to talk on phone, we can coordinate it through the emails, okay? First page of your syllabus, this is it. This is giving me some general information about myself. Course description, Chemistry Honors, it says that it is a mathematical science, so you have mathematical skills you have to be able to use. It's also you have to be able to work independently, especially since it's an online class. Prerequisites and co-requisites, you have to have already completed Math 3 or be currently enrolled in Math 3 to be in the class. This next paragraph, this is in black. I'm not covered about 2 months. I'm just going to go through it real quick. This just means that the rules that apply for technology and for the district and the school all apply, even if it's on online training. The course materials, you have 4 things listed. Those in black. The textbook we don't use until face-to-face. The website Khan Academy we don't use until face-to-face, so we don't have to worry about that for the first 6 weeks. This next one, website, the second one, is just tells you why I teach what I teach, so you don't really have to worry about those first 3. But this fourth website, the website for effective discussion posts, you're going to have 2 posts you have to make each week, and the rubrics will be coming directly from this website, so make sure every time you're doing a post, you look at this and review that, okay? The next thing about COVID, it just tells you things can change because of COVID. Now it's talking about the weekly assignments. We'll go through the grades real quick for you. You're going to have 3 grades per week. You're going to have note-taking assist is 25% of the grade, discussion 25% of the grade, and reflection activity 50% of the grade, excuse me. Note-taking assist, all you have to do is in your own handwriting with the note-taking assist that hopefully I'll be able to provide you a hard copy. You just take the paper and you handwrite the notes that I give you on these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of lecture. That includes every word that I write. You need to put that down in your note-taking assist. If I do a sketch, you need to put the sketch down as well. Everything. All you have to do is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, combine those and submit those by Wednesday at 11:59, and you're good to go for the note-taking assist. The discussion, you're going to have 2 discussions. The first one has to be at least 50 words long, and it has to have a reference in there, and it's due at 11:59 on Tuesday. I'll give you some type of prompt, a question or something you'll have to answer. Then on Thursday, you will have to respond to another one of your classmates, how they answered the question on Tuesday. You have to respond to them on Thursday at 11:59. Well, no less than 50 words, and it also has to have a reference. Reflection exercise. The first week is going to be essay. You'll have several essays to write. Your essays have to always be in Times New Roman, 12 font, double spaced. You have to have 3 citable references. You can also, if you're using a website, please don't just copy and paste from the website. You will get a 0 for that. If you're using direct quotes, make sure you use quotation marks, and you can only have 2 cited quotations of no more than 2 sentences each in your paper. So I want it to be your original thoughts. The next page of the website of the syllabus is just explaining the grades per week. You don't have to worry about that. You look at that as your own stuff, okay? Week number 1, what I expect to do on week number 1 is just a review of lab safety, scientific method conversions, precision and accuracy, significant figures, and scientific notation. Week 1, instead of having the 3 notes, you'll have to take notes Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But for a grade for that week, all you have to do is you have a lab safety on Flynn lab safety contract. I hope to have the hard copy for you for the for the entire contract itself and the shell, we will have to extract information from that. It's a scavenger hunt, and it needs to be in your own handwriting. Submit that by 11:59 on Wednesday, and you've got that grade taken care of. Discussion for your first week. All it is a little autobiography about yourself of 50 words or more. You have to have a reference. For example, if you're a basketball player, you can always go find a little article on basketball and include that in your autobiography. On Thursday, when you're commenting about another student, just say you have a tuba player who's in the class, and they say something about tuba. Well, you have to find a little article about tuba playing and include that in your presentation or your response as well. And then Friday, the reflection exercise, which you do on Saturday, you have to, in 200 to 300 words, you have to describe 10 careers in chemistry. Make sure you look at those directions that I gave you, the 12 font and Times New Roman and so forth. Week number 2, we're going to be 2 and 3. You're going to be dealing with density calculations, phase change diagrams, thermochemistry calculation. It tells you what your exercise is going to be, what your discussion questions are. Week 3 is the same. Week 4, we're talking about Unit 2 has subatomic particles and atomic theory. Week 5 and 6 are the same. The Bohr model, electromagnetic spectrum, and the Lewis dot diagram. Once again, it tells you what your requirements are to be in the class. And then week number, the rest of these are beyond the first 6 weeks, so that'll be determined how we're actually teaching you. So those will be input later on. But those subject areas are the periodic table and trends. Unit 5 is chemical bonding, writing chemical equations, and Vesper models. Unit 6 is balancing chemical equations, type of chemical reactions. Unit 7 is stoichiometry. Unit 8 is the gas laws. Unit 9 is acid and base. And Unit 10 is nuclear chemistry. So once again, I want to say welcome to Honors Chemistry, and I'm looking forward to see all of you in person no later than the 28th of September. So good luck. Make sure you work hard, okay? Take care.